Vice President Leni Robredo's camp called on the Supreme Court to abide by its rules after vice presidential candidate Ferdinand Marcos Jr. filed an election protest. Robredo's legal counsel Romulo Macalintal stressed that the Supreme Court, sitting as the Presidential Electoral Tribunal or PET, should follow Rule 65 of the PET's 2010 rules.
Meron tayong tinatawag na initial determination stage. And what is the initial determination stage? It means that the protestant o yung nagpo-protesta is mandated by the rules to select 3 provinces, 3 probinsya, which best exemplify the election frauds or irregularities alleged in his protest.
Under Rule 65, Camarines Sur, Negros Oriental, and Iloilo were chosen by Marcos as the pilot provinces wherein there were alleged irregularities. After the recount of ballots from the 3 pilot provinces, Robredo's votes increased to 15,000. The gain in the number of Robredo's votes shall lead to the dismissal of Marcos's election protest based on Rule 65. However, in December 2018, Marcos asked the PET to conduct a technical examination of the thumb marks and signatures in the May 2016 Election Day computerized voters list in Lanao del Sur, Maguindanao, and Basilan. Despite Marcos's failure to gain substantial recovery from his pilot provinces, there were reports that PET will proceed to conduct the technical examination. Macalintal shared PET's deviation of its rules and jurisprudence would be a violation of Robredo's right to due process and equal protection.
For the PET to deviate from Rule 65 is a violation of Robredo's right to due process and equal protection of the law. And it would even violate the constitutional mandate that all bona fide candidates should be free from any form of discrimination. Because if Rule 65 will not be applied, then there will be a case of discrimination against the Vice President in the application of the rules.
For One Media Network, this is Denisa Fernandez.